Hello code hackers, and welcome back to Code Hacks Unleashed. Today we're diving into the power of cURL and why it's an essential tool for developers and IT professionals. What is cURL, you ask? cURL, which stands for Client for URLs, is a versatile command line tool and library for data transfer with various internet protocols, including HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, and more. One of the primary reasons cURL is indispensable is its simplicity and versatility. With just one command, you can send HTTP requests to servers, download files, or even perform complex API testing. It's a real Swiss Army knife for web-related tasks. Another critical aspect of cURL is its debugging and testing capabilities. When you're developing web applications or APIs, debugging is fundamental. cURL lets you inspect HTTP headers, examine responses, and simulate different request scenarios, making it invaluable for troubleshooting and testing. For automation enthusiasts, cURL is a game changer. Incorporate cURL commands into scripts and workflows to automate tasks like data extraction, website monitoring, or API integration. This saves you time and effort. What's great is that cURL is cross-platform, available on various operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. You can rely on it regardless of your development environment. It's also important to note that cURL is open source and actively maintained by a dedicated community. This ensures it stays up to date with the latest web technologies and security standards. In conclusion, cURL is an indispensable tool for anyone working in web development, IT, or just curious about how the web functions. Its simplicity, versatility, debugging capabilities, automation potential, cross-platform support, and open-source nature make it a must-know tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Code Hacks Unleashed for more tech-related content. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching.